everybody, welcome to the Country Living Homestead. Today we're going to talk about gardening, and I know it's crazy to talk about gardening with all of this white stuff still on the ground, but don't worry, this snow is going to be gone before you know it. So today I want to talk about our 4 best gardening tips for beginner gardeners. Tip number 1 is location, location, location. You definitely want to put your garden in an area that's going to get at least 8 hours of sunlight per day. Yes, there are some plants that you can grow in a partially shaded area, but for the overall happiness of all your garden vegetables, a minimum of 8 hours of sunlight a day will do the trick. Tip number 2, always test your soil. Testing your soil can reveal any nutrient deficiencies that you may have and will let you know what amendments that you need to make to your soil to keep your garden vegetables happy. It will also tell you the pH of your soil, which is very important when you're growing vegetables. Most vegetables like a pH of about 6 to 6.5, so that's really important information that you'll want to know. Finding out about the fertility of your soil can also help you save money by not adding unnecessary fertilizers. And we all know that those fertilizers are going to go through the roof in price this year. Tip number 3, always research the plants that you want to grow in your garden. A lot of plants have varying needs. Some plants are heavy feeders, like corn. Some plants like to be kept really moist at all times, like celery root. So make sure you do your research and find out what your plant's needs are in advance. Tip number 4, have a plan for weeding and watering your garden. Weeds can take over your garden plot super fast, and watering is also an important consideration. Having your garden next to your water source is going to be really beneficial. It's going to make it a lot easier to get that water to your plants. Gardens need an average of about an inch of water a week. So you're going to want to make sure that if we're not getting that in rainfall, that you're able to water your garden easily. Thanks so much for stopping by the homestead today, and we wish you a very successful garden season this year.